Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and sign up Litmatch. Litmatch is a really wonderful app that helps you stay connected with a lot of people, helps you make friends over different forms of features that it possesses. So if you want to make an account and want to see how you can download it, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can do that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe to App Guide and also hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. So now, without much ado, let's begin with the video. In order to download Litmatch, first of all, head over to your App Store, and then on the bottom right corner, you can see a search button. Tap on the search button, and then on the search bar, type in Litmatch. As you type in Litmatch and search, you will see an app that looks like this. So here you can tap on Get in order to start downloading the app. After you tap on Get, wait for a certain while until the app gets completely downloaded on your mobile device. After the app gets downloaded, tap on the Open button in order to open up the app, and then wait for the app to completely start processing and finish up processing so that you land on an interface that will allow you to sign up to Litmatch. So here, as you can see, I'm currently waiting. And now, first of all, you'd like to allow Litmatch to send you notifications, so tap on Allow. And here you have the option to either log in with your Facebook or your Google. So make sure that you select the option that's more convenient to you. Here for me, I'm more comfortable and convenient with my Google account, so I'm just gonna tap on Google in order to start logging in. So tap on Continue in order to allow Litmatch to use google.com to sign in. And then I'm directed towards a page where I'll have to select the account that is on my mobile device in order to sign up to Litmatch. So here I've also now selected the account. And after this, wait for a certain while until you're taken to an interface where you'll be asked certain more details. So here I'm just waiting for the app to completely finish its processing. And after I do that, here now I'm landing on a page where I'll have to enter my nickname and my birthday and also my sex in order to proceed. So here I've entered my nickname, then select the correct birthday for yourself. So here I've also selected my birthday, and also now I'm going to select my sex. And after doing this, you can read there that once you confirmed, birthday and gender cannot be changed. So make sure that you use the correct one and then tap on the Done button. After you tap on the Done button, you'll be shown an avatar. That will be your avatar for Litmatch. If you want to change it, tap on the top right corner option that says Change, and wait for a certain while until the avatar is displayed on your screen again. So if you're okay with this, tap on the Done button. When you tap on the Done button, wait for a certain while. And here, as you can see, you'll have to first of all agree to the community rules, read through the rules, and then tap on the I accept button. And as you do that, you will land on your home page, and on the bottom right corner there's a profile icon. When you go to the profile icon, you'll be able to see that you have now been able to sign up to your Litmatch account because you're already logged in. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.